Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hi! Yo, so happy to be here today.
We are so glad you joined us. Today, we are talking about something really important.
Oh, yes. Tell them.
We're talking about your daily life, how to talk about it in English, smoothly, naturally, like a real conversation.
Hmm, because that's one of the hardest things, right? You know your life. But saying it in English? Sometimes the words just don't come.
Exactly, and today we're going to fix that, step by step, together.
I love these episodes so much. Honestly, every time we do one, I feel like I learn something too.
You always say that.
Because it's true. Yee? Is that so hard to believe?
Not at all. And hey, if you're enjoying the show, please subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button right now. That way, you never miss an episode.
Yes, please do. We make these every week, and we want you to be here for every single one.
Okay, so, daily life. Let's start with a simple question. Alice, what did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up, I made coffee, I checked my phone, the usual.
The usual. That's a great phrase, by the way. We'll come back to that.
See? Already learning.
Already learning. So, why is talking about daily life so important?
Because everyone asks, right? What do you do? How was your day? What did you do on the weekend?
All the time. At work, with friends, with strangers on the bus. These are the most common conversations in the world.
And if you can answer smoothly, why, it feels amazing. You feel confident. You feel like a real English speaker.
That's the goal, not perfect English. Smooth English, natural English.
I like that. Smooth, not perfect.
Smooth, not perfect. Remember that.
Okay. So where do we start?
We start with the basics, the everyday words and phrases that make your daily life story come alive.
Yo, let's go.
First phrase, I usually, as in I usually wake up at 7.
I usually wake up at 7. Simple.
Usually means most days, not always, but most days.
So I can say, I usually have coffee in the morning, right?
Exactly. I usually have coffee in the morning. Try it. Say it out loud.
Oh, and what if I want to say something that happens every single day?
Then you say, I always. For example, I always brush my teeth before bed.
That's good to know, David.
Yes, please always do that. So, always is for every single day. Usually is for most days.
Got it. I always and I usually. What's next?
Next, after that, this is a connector. It helps you tell a story about your day.
Like I wake up. After that, I make breakfast.
Perfect. After that means then. Next, the thing that comes after.
So it keeps the story moving.
Exactly, it keeps the story moving. You can also say then. I wake up. Then I make breakfast. Same idea.
After that or then. Both work.
Both work, and they sound very natural.
Good. I like having options.
Next, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. These tell us when.
Oh, simple, right? In the morning, I go for a walk.
Yes, and notice we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But for night, we say at night.
At night? Not in the night?
Right, at night, not in the night. That's a small but important difference.
English and its little rules.
I know, but now you know.
Now I know. Okay, what's our next word or phrase?
Get ready, as in, I get ready for work in the morning.
Get ready. What does that mean exactly?
It means you prepare yourself. You shower, you dress, you do your hair, everything you do before you leave the house.
Oh, that covers a lot.
It covers everything. I get ready is very useful. You can use it every single day.
I get ready for work. I get ready for school. I get ready for the day.
All of those. All correct. All natural.
I love a phrase that does a lot of work.
This one definitely does.
What's next?
I take a break. As in, at noon, I take a break and eat lunch.
Mm, I take a break. So that's I stop working for a little while?
Exactly. You pause, you rest, you step away from what you're doing.
I take a break. Can I say I take a lunch break?
Yes. Great example. I take a lunch break at 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Short rest in the middle of the day.
Exactly. And after the break, you go back to work or school or whatever you're doing.
Back to real life.
Back to real life. Okay, next phrase. I spend time, as in the evening, I spend time with my family.
Oh, I like that one. I spend time. It sounds very warm.
It does, right? I spend time cooking. I spend time reading. I spend time watching TV.
Oh, what about I spend time with my friends?
Perfect. I spend time with my friends on the weekend. Absolutely natural.
So, spend time is for the things you choose to do, the good things.
That's a beautiful way to put it. Yes, the things you choose to do, the things you enjoy.
What else?
Okay, next one. This one is a little more advanced.
Oh, I end up? What does that mean?
End up means this is how something finished. It wasn't always the plan, but this is what happened.
Like I planned to sleep early, but I ended up watching TV until midnight.
Exactly. Perfect example.
That happens to me all the time.
Me too, honestly. End up is also great for tell stories. I went to the store and I ended up buying so many things.
So it's a little bit like things happened on their own?
Yes, things didn't go as planned, but end up sounds natural and relaxed about it.
I like that. Not stressful. Just, this is what happened.
Exactly. Very conversational.
Okay, what's our last big phrase for today?
Last one, the usual, as in, I have my usual morning coffee.
You used that at the beginning.
I did. And did you notice what it means?
It means the same thing you always do?
Exactly. The usual means the normal thing, the thing you always choose.
I have my usual breakfast. I take my usual route to work.
Perfect. It sounds very natural, very comfortable, like someone who knows their own life.
I love that. The usual.
So let's go through all of them quickly. I always, after that. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. I get ready. I take a break. I spend time. I end up. The usual.
That's actually a lot of really useful stuff.
And every one of those fits perfectly into talking about your daily life.
Let's put them all together.
Let's do a full conversation, a role play. Okay, I'll be your friend, and you're telling me about your day. Ready?
Ready.
So Alice, long day?
Oh, you have no idea. I usually wake up at 6:30, but this morning I woke up at 8.
Oh, 8? What happened?
I don't know. I just ended up sleeping through my alarm.
Classic.
So then I had to get ready really fast. No time for my usual morning coffee.
Huh, no coffee? That sounds terrible.
It was. After that, I ran out the door. I got to work late.
And then, how was the rest of the day?
In the morning, it was really stressful. But at noon, I took a lunch break and I felt better.
Good. You needed that break.
And then in the afternoon, things calmed down. I spent time finishing my project. And by the evening, I was done.
Yo, you did it.
I did it. And tonight, I am going to spend time doing absolutely nothing.
You deserve it.
Honestly, the usual evening. Couch, tea, maybe a show.
Perfect. That sounds like a great ending to a hard day.
It really does.
Okay, and that, everyone, is how you talk about your daily life in English.
Wow, that felt so natural.
Because the phrases are natural. You just drop them in. After that, I ended up, the usual. They connect everything.
It really does sound like a real conversation, not a textbook.
That's the goal. That's always the goal.
Oh, so now, common mistakes?
Yes, let's do mistakes. Alice, give me a sentence.
Okay, every morning I wake up at 7.
Almost.
Yee, what's wrong with that?
I am wake up. That's not quite right. You say, I wake up, not I am wake up.
Just I wake up. No am?
Right. I wake up at 7. Simple and correct.
I always want to put am in there.
A lot of learners do. It feels like it should be there. But for simple present, habits, routines, you just use the base verb. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
No am, no is, no are for habits?
Exactly. For habits and routines, just the base verb.
Got it. Okay, one more mistake.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I spent time with my sister.
Oh, close. But what's the time?
Yesterday, so past?
Past. So the verb changes, not spend. What do you think it becomes?
Spent?
Yo, exactly. I spent time with my sister. Past tense.
Oh, I knew that.
You did know it. You just forgot in the moment. That happens. Don't worry. With practice, it becomes automatic.
With practice.
With practice. And that brings us to our listener practice moment.
Yes, everyone listening, your turn.
We're going to give you a sentence starter, and I want you to finish it out loud. Say it in your own words. Ready?
Ready?
Okay, here we go. Say this with me first. In the morning, I usually...
In the morning, I usually...
Now you finish it. What do you usually do in the morning? Say it out loud, right now. Don't be shy.
Oh, maybe you wake up, make coffee, check your phone? Whatever is true for you.
There's no wrong answer. The important thing is, you say it. You practice. You hear yourself speaking English.
Because that's how you get comfortable. You practice out loud.
Try it one more time. In the morning, I usually...
Say it with confidence.
Good. Really good. And now, one more. This one has 2 parts. After work, I usually, and then I...
Fill in both parts. 2 things you do after work or after school in English.
Take your time. Say it slowly. That's okay.
Slow is good. Slow is clear. Slow is progress.
Exactly.
Yo, I feel like our listeners are really doing it right now.
I hope so, and if you are, great job, seriously.
You're doing great.
Okay, let's wrap up. Today we talked about daily life English, and there were 3 phrases I want you to remember most.
3, hit us.
Number 1, I usually use this to talk about your habits. I usually wake up early. I usually have tea in the morning.
I usually. Easy and useful.
Number 2, after that, use this to connect your story. I had breakfast. After that, I got ready. It keeps everything flowing.
After that, the connector.
And number 3, I end up. Use this when something happened differently than you planned. I meant to sleep early, but I ended up staying up late.
So relatable.
Incredibly relatable.
I usually, after that, I end up. 3 phrases, so much power.
And they all sound natural. They all sound like a real person talking.
Not a textbook, a real person.
Exactly.
Okay, our question for the comments today.
Yes, we want to know. What does your morning usually look like? Tell us in the comments. In English, use the phrases from today.
Even one sentence is great. I usually wake up at. Just start there.
We read every comment. We love seeing your English.
Yo, we really do.
All right, everyone. That's our episode for today. Thank you so much for spending time with us.
See what he did there? Spending time with us.
Using today's vocabulary.
So smooth.
Mm, we hope you feel a little more confident talking about your daily life in English today.
And remember, smooth, not perfect.
Smooth, not perfect.
You've got this.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye.